Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a plugin on your WordPress website. So first let's download the plugin from the Arando support page. The plugin is in here, so let's choose it to download. So it's downloading, and once it's downloaded we can move on with the installation on your WordPress website. Just log in on the back office of your website. And once you log in, you'll see this menu here, plugins. Just choose this menu, and in here where you can manage all your plugins, let's add new. Let's upload the plugin you just downloaded from our web page. Let's choose this one. Install now. Just wait a little bit while it gets installed. Now it's installed, and all we have to do is to activate. So it is activating. Okay, now we see the Arando plugin is in here and it's activated, and it will be shown in here on your WordPress website. So if you choose here, you can check if it's working. Yes, it's working, and the license is activated. And on the next video, I'm going to show you how to generate the license.